Welcome to day 3 of the 75 Hard Challenge YouTube edition. So it's night already and I wanted to make myself dinner, and I'm gonna make myself a banana pancake. So I thought I'd share the recipe with you guys because I know how to make it 10 times better. Granted, it's not healthy 100%, but I mean, it's a good option, so let's do it. Sorry if you can hear the washing machine, it's really loud. I'll try to be quick. So you need a bowl, a banana, the browner the better because it's gonna be sweeter, some oatmeal, an egg, cinnamon, and butter. Now I'm gonna start mashing the banana first, and then I'll just add all the other ingredients. There's no order to this, and if you want to add anything else, you know, just do it. Now that she is ready, right here, now comes my secret. You can eat this with honey, more butter, whatever it is that you want, but yes, my precious Cadbury's chocolate. This is my favorite chocolate of all time. So what I'll do is I'll get one of these, right, and just place it on the pancake. I'm gonna show you in a second. See right here? And since the pancake is still super hot, use your finger, whatever. Just so you can fold it over the chocolate and then it will melt. And it's done. I'll show you when I take a bite out of it. I'm just gonna give it some time for the chocolate to melt since the chocolate was in the fridge. When you can like squish the chocolate like this, I'm squishing it, it's ready. So let's take a little piece. Look, I'm just gonna give you a little peek. Now let's try it. The lighting is a little weird, but cheers. I got the caramel. Today's video was really short, but that's because like I just really wanted to show you my chocolate and banana pancake. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.